That sounds like a pretty decent fix. Oops.
Well, hello peoples. Today we try to find the exact cause of a major oil leak, replace the rear lights, and we repair the tailgate panel and third brake light. Now let's dig right in. So, as we knew, it's pretty wet with oil down there, and the rear main seal is our main suspect here. That means we'll have to replace it, and in order to get to that, we'll have to remove the gearbox, clutch, flywheel, and a whole lot of other bits and pieces. And of course, as we'll have to get in there anyway, we'll also replace a load of other parts.
It's gonna be a pretty terrible job to do here on the ground, so let's hope we can do that at the car repair shop as well.
And with a bit of luck, that might be very soon. In the meantime, we have some other tasks to take care of, so first things first, let's replace the rear lights.
Oh.
Right, let's put the... wait a minute. Let's first do some cleaning in there. Lovely. Oh yeah, much better. And then it's just a matter of tightening everything back down again.
Kan niet. Deze zijn recht en deze heeft zo'n schuin ding. Maybe test them first.
Yep, left blinker works. Yep, brake light works. And of course the other side has to be done as well. Why is that so stuck?
Every top 40 song.
Yep.
You got
Yep.
Oh, thanks.
Yep, blinker is working. And we got brake lights. Perfect. Right, we got this little repair set for the tailgate cover. So let's try and fix that as well. So this should be easy enough. What you need to do is this. Read the manual and then just do that. That should now fit right over here. And then those self-tapping screws, and then it should be fixed. Pretty straightforward, I think. Right, and that's pretty much how you do every one of them. Now we gotta put those clips back in the car.
Die small ones go on the bottom.
Yep. Now the big ones need to go back inside the car itself. Yep, like that. So this is turning out to be quite a decent repair set. So if you're looking for that as well, yeah, we got them from Estate Services, which is a Dutch Volvo parts website, but we'll put the link down below so you can find a kit if you need to. So if we're correct, that trim needs to go back first. Well, that sounds pretty nice. That sounds like a pretty decent fix. Oops.
That did not.
Something broke.
Yeah,
Yeah.
That doesn't need for.
Yeah, we're gonna see if we can find that trim piece new. That's the one that's on top of there. And then the handle cover as well. Alright, so we got some stuff to solder that third brake light back together. It's yeah, it's in pretty bad shape, and we weren't able to find a new one or a replacement one, so we're gonna try and fix it. We already cleaned the covers, got some new solder, we got a means of testing it, contact glue, and we bought ourselves a new soldering station, because the other one, well, the one we used at the car repair shop was a little heavy duty. Yeah, heavy duty indeed. Right, let's get to it.
Wow.
Well,
you can hold it.
yeah. Okay. So we got the little tester here. We put some solder on the ends of the wires. It's just a simple 12-volt tester, and let's see if we get some lights. Hey, we got something. Yeah, there we go. First thing we're gonna do is clean this board with some alcohol and a scrubber thing to get rid of most of the scrubber thing. Yeah, to get rid of most of the yeah, the corrosion and stuff on here. Oh well, that's pretty clean. Okay. So to clarify, we have absolutely no idea what we're doing, but we think we do. I think. So maybe it's smarter if we first replace the resistors and then start looking at the LEDs itself. So yeah, we figured that's what we're gonna do first. Alright. Maybe I can use this to somehow help me grab it or something. Those two are from the resistor. What is happening? Ah! Okay, so that is one.
Heat it up and I'll suck it away.
Nope, that didn't do anything.
I'll just grab it, maybe.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I got one.
Okay, now the other one. Yeah.
We got the parasite. Some doctor stuff.
Yeah. Right, so now we got a...
Let's get that, it's a bit bigger.
Oh. Hope it fits. So you can push it a little. I'm gonna put some solder on there.
Be fine.
Yeah, that might be it. So, I guess something like that. Yeah, the new resistors are a little bit bigger and it looks like crap, but it should work, and that is the most important thing. Right, let's do the rest of them. We wanted to see if we just replace the bad resistor, if the lights behind that are gonna work, and just out of curiosity, let's see what it does. Hey, just replacing that one resistor back there did fix that row of lights, so maybe we can actually do this. Right, so the moment of truth, we replaced the resistors. This is the last one. It's got the legs off. And there was a slight problem with the board. Well, as you can see, we had to put a little wire in here. The trace on the board was broken, so... And there was also a break right in there, so not pretty, but, well, it should work. Let's see. Oh, the last one is not working yet. Right, so that last resistor, let's check that solder. Ah, it's making a bad connection over there. It was on the other trace. That's possibly already it. Ah, well, that last LED, that one is probably broken. Let's get rid of that and put a new LED in this one.
Yes, but why isn't the other ones working?
Because this, the power goes from that side, it goes to here and then right there and then back to the last. It goes from there right over there. So if this one is broken, then those don't get power because it has to go from there to there via the LED. Right, so we replaced the last LED in the line, which seemed to be the problem, and it's not.
So we replaced some more LEDs and the last transistor again, but unfortunately we were not able to get that last row of LEDs working. So we decided to disable the first row as well, and that way we got a nice symmetric third brake light.
We're gonna install it like this and keep our eyes out for new board or something. Don't know yet, but let's get that in the car and see what it does. Right, let's see if it works, yeah.
Er wordt naar de deur geklopt, hard geklopt. Deur kapot. Oh jee, 2-1. Miscellaneous footage. Sleutelcontact. Sleutel hangt hoor. Even wachten. Ja, remmers. Het brandt.
Right, we soldered it back in place. Let's see if it still works.
Hey.
That is good. Alright, and we got that third brake light back in our spoiler. Let's test it.
Hey. It took a whole afternoon.
And that's not even too bad looking with those left and right banks not working. Nice. Alright, so we managed to find a set of new speaker grills for the rear doors. Hopefully they fit. They are not original, so, well, let's see. So that's the, well, homemade DIY cover. So we found these rear speaker grills at a pretty unexpected place, which is bol.com. We'll be replacing these speakers in the future. First we're gonna see if they work. If they work, we'll keep them for now, and then, yeah. Yeah, looking good. Right, so that was a little bit of an, yeah, well, you got a cold or something?
Yes.
So no major tasks today, but we're happy that we got the trim back. That's good. We got the third brake light back. That's also good. And we put on some new lights in the back. So the idea is to lower the subframe, and then we're gonna remove that side of the subframe, and this side we're gonna leave, but just loosen it so we get that effect, and then we should be able to remove the gearbox.
And that is all we can do today. So thanks for watching and see you the next time.